Okay. See this in your grocery store. Intimidated? Probably. Do you know what it is? Maybe not, right? But we know what this is. It is a thing called golden berries. You might have heard of gooseberries, or maybe you saw Willy Wonka and you were like, schnozberries taste like schnozberries. Well, gooseberries taste like gooseberries. And they are a very cool little berry. They look like cherries. Sometimes they're called ground cherries. They're seedy, crazy seedy on the inside. They're part of the nightshade family. Shocking. They look like a tomato, right? Well, they are tangy and sweet and delicious, and they can elevate any sort of meal. They are a gift from Peru. They come to us from Chile, Peru. They're native to the area, and they actually grow in almost what it looks like a tomatilla husk. And when you see them, they might almost look like little lanterns growing, and you might even have a version of ground cherry found wildly to the native to North America if you're here. It's pretty cool. Don't eat them. They're poisonous. So you really have to make sure that you actually have the right thing. So if you see them anywhere in your farmer's market, you have Cape gooseberries or Peruvian ground cherry. You know, these are all the same name, but I love them. So what can you do with these things? Well, you can mash them. You can mash them straight into a drink. You can steep them into a simple syrup, which I did, and you treat them much like you would cranberries, right? How you do like cranberry sauce. So all I did was take sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and then my ground cherries, and I literally put them in there and I let them pop. And then they release their little seeds, which you can see how they release the seeds. And you just don't want this in your teeth, right? Like we've all seen Pretty Woman. I've talked about it before. You're going to strain it off and you're going to have a nice little golden syrup. And this golden syrup is an amazing elixir for teas, making cocktails, adding it to pairs, and elevating really any kind of drink. And I really like it. And also they're a really super healthy snack. So snack on and let's get the season going.